Looking for the top handguns that military and police are upgrading to in 2025? You're in the right place. I'm Mark from Electro, and today we're diving into the 10 handguns that are being adopted by military and law enforcement agencies around the world. These models are designed for precision, reliability, and speed, and the number 1 pick might just surprise you, so stick around. Number 10. Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS. This handgun is popular with U.S. Army MPs and NYPD, who have made the MOS variant their go-to choice due to its red dot integration. The 17+1 capacity and legendary safe action system make it extremely reliable and easy to train with, which is why it's become a staple for law enforcement. Priced at just $569, the Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS brings performance and durability to the table. Number 9. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. A compact powerhouse that's popular with agencies like the FBI and LAPD. With its 15+1 capacity, NDLC finish for corrosion resistance, and flared magwell for quick reloads, it's the perfect do-it-all pistol for patrol or plainclothes use. This gun has become a fan favorite due to its balance of concealability and reliability. You can pick it up for about $569. Number 8. Walther PDP Full Size. Known for its exceptional ergonomics, this handgun is quickly becoming a go-to for SWAT teams and European law enforcement. The 18+1 capacity and performance duty trigger give you fast, accurate shots, and its modular design makes it easy to integrate with red dot optics. Priced at $649, the Walther PDP is a tactical powerhouse designed for precision. Number 7. FN 509 Tactical. This gun was designed for extreme durability, with a cold hammer-forged barrel that can handle over 20,000 rounds. It's become the weapon of choice for LAPD, thanks to its 24+1 capacity, threaded barrel for suppressors, and ambidextrous mag release. At $899, the FN 509 Tactical offers unmatched durability for tactical situations. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M and P9M 2.0. This is a favorite among state troopers and federal agents due to its low-bore axis for flat shooting and interchangeable backstraps for a customizable fit. With a 17+1 capacity and Picatinny rail for lights, it's an all-around reliable pistol that's perfect for law enforcement. It's available for $553 and is a great option for those who need precision under pressure. Number 5. Sig Sauer P320X Full. This is a modular system that's widely used by U.S. Air Force and DHS. The 17+1 capacity and Romeo 1 ready slides make it easy to customize for different mission needs. Despite some previous safety concerns, the upgraded P320X Full has been reliable in the field, and agencies trust its flat trigger for quick, precise shots. You can get it for $679. Number 4. CZP-10C. With a 15+1 capacity and sub-2-inch groups at 25 yards, it's a precision-focused handgun that's gained traction in municipal PDs across the U.S. The ergonomics and out-of-the-box accuracy make it a favorite for law enforcement and home defense. Priced at $349, it offers premium performance for a very affordable price. Number 3. Heckler & Koch VP9. This premium tactical pistol is a favorite of the German Bundespolizei and U.S. Special Ops due to its customizable grip panels and paddle mag release. The 17+1 capacity and low recoil make it ideal for sustained fire in high-threat environments. For $749, you get a reliable tactical pistol that's built for precision and versatility. Number 2. Beretta 92X Performance. This is a legacy modern hybrid that blends the classic M9 with modern features like the Vertec frame for better control and the Extreme S trigger for precision. The 17+1 capacity and optics cuts make it a top performer for both duty and competition use. It's priced at $1,099, offering the best of both worlds for those who want precision and reliability. Number 1. Canik TP9 Elite Combat. This optics-ready pistol features a competition-grade trigger and an 18+1 capacity. Priced at $499, it's a budget-friendly powerhouse that outperforms much more expensive models, making it ideal for both duty and training. The Canik TP9 Elite Combat is the one to watch in 2025, and it's quickly gaining a reputation for high performance at an affordable price. Conclusion: So, which one of these handguns would you trust for your protection? Let me know in the comments below and hit that like button if you found this video useful. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss another tactical update. Want to see more tactical gear in action? Check out my next video, Top 10 Incredible Survival Rifles Under $300 That Preppers Desperately Need to Know About. You don't want to miss it.